I just went and picked up packages, and there is one for Aries in there, so I thought we could open our Barkbox together. Your first Barkbox in your new home. All right, this is, I can't read it, you're too fast. Barkbox, Trails of the Tropics. Look, wow. Oh my goodness, you got different fish. Wow, look at. Oh, what do you think? Wow. Okay, there are T-words in here too. You lucky, lucky girl. Wow. Wow, good job. Okay, let's look at the toys you got. Okay, it looks like you got a fish. Yeah. Let me cut the tanks off. This is Santiago seal. Wow. Okay, let's look at the other one. You have a seal and a batfish. Oh, the batfish? Oh, okay. You can have the batfish. What about this one? Make some noise. Oh. Oh, yeah, good girl. Good job, queen. Wow. Your first new friends. Wow. Just went on my first Target run for some necessities. So let me show you, let us show you what I bought. It was very exciting living close by to a Target. It's like 5 miles away. I haven't lived near a Target in a long time. So my goal was to just get some things that I like need right now, because with moving so far, there was a lot of items that I didn't bring with me that it was like, it's just going to be easier for me to buy these there. So some of these are just to kind of like get me through this time. Like I bought, oops, sorry girl. I bought like plastic silverware just because I need silverware right now. But silverware, I don't know if anyone else is like this, but I'm very particular about my silverware. So it's gonna like take me a second before I find, and I need to like go to the store and pick them up. I've learned over the years, I'm very particular about my silverware, but like I need something to be able to eat. I just keep asking for silverware when I get takeout. So now I got my own. So, you know, I'll upgrade my silverware one day, but I also got, you know, some paper plates. I feel like paper plates will come in handy. And I just got like, I think these were like 50 cents, you know, just some like random little cups. And then I know I also got like just 2 plates, again, just to get me by for right now. I don't have anything for the kitchen, nothing. No silverware, no plates, no cups, no bowls, literally nothing. So I got like some little bowls also, so bowls, plates, cups, silverware. Aries is drinking her water. You know, all of this is like just to hold me over, and like I said, I think they were like 50 cents each, and it's, you know, stuff that I'm not planning to keep, so it's like, why spend a lot of money on something right now? But again, like plates and bowls and cups, like I'll obviously want to get like a matching set and something a little bit nicer, but I'll want to take my time, and this was really just, I'm just trying to get the necessities out of this. So I also did get just a small trash can, like you know, I'll have trash cans in both the bathrooms. Like I'm actually trying to figure out I don't know what to do for a trash can yet here, if I want to do a big one or if I want to do one that's like in between, like an in-between size. I'm not sure. You know, it's just so different living on your own, and like, I don't know yet. I don't know yet what I'm gonna do about that, but I wanted to have some sort of trash can, so this is the one that I got for right now to hold me over. And again, this is what I'll end up like putting in my bathroom, or one of the bathrooms. I got a loofah because I'm gonna shower tonight. I'm let's not judge my hair right now. It's been a few days. But I really wanted to shower tonight, but I had, you know, I have shampoo, and like body wash and stuff like that, but I didn't bring my loofah because I thought like that's kind of a gross thing to travel with, right? And that's a loofah, like easy to buy a loofah. But I did also get towels because I had no towels. Michelle Wong was so kind when she came over the other night. She said, "Is there anything that you need?" I was like, "Could you bring me a towel?" Because all I wanted to do that day was wash my face. You know, I'd been on the road for such a long time. All I was thinking about was washing my face, and I was like, oh my gosh, I don't have a towel. Like, how do I dry my face off? So I've been using the towel that Michelle brought me, but you know, like I said, I wanted to shower. I thought these colors were really pretty, and these were the last two of these colors. These are the Casa Luna organic cotton bath towel. So pink and gray are my favorite colors, if you haven't been able to tell. Like, my favorite color scheme, I would say gray is probably my favorite color, which I think might be weird as I look at my gray couch. But gray and pink I just think are really pretty. So we got the big bath towels, and then I got hand towels, 2 hand towels, and then I got 2 washcloths, and I got gray for these. They actually didn't have any washcloths in that color, so I figured I'd go with the gray. And then I got a like a bath mat for when I get out of the shower, and I went with gray for that one, just to, I don't know, try to be like matchy. Michelle also brought over dish soap, which I was very excited about, but I got a little scrubber so I can do the dishes. I do have a dishwasher, but I don't have dishwashing detergent yet, so I could have gotten that, but again, it's like, especially with paper plates or the plastic silverware, like, it's not high up on my list. I really, really wanted hand soap, so I got some hand soap because I just wanted to wash my hands. I have a hand sanitizer here, and to wash my hands, I've just been using the dish soap that Michelle brought over, but I have actual hand soap now. These are all Mrs. Meyer's. Do these have like different, they all say, oh, here we go. We have, basil, peony. I didn't even realize that. Basil, peony, and geranium. Okay, are you excited? And then also for the shower, I really like the Tree Hut sugar scrub. I used mine all the way up before I left, and I just said I'd buy a new one here. So I'm excited to like set up my shower. I think it's a really nice shower here, so you know, that's exciting. And then last but not least, we got these for Aries. Oh my gosh, these are your favorite. These are how you clean your teeth, isn't it? Fight bad breath at its source. Wow. These are a 3-week supply. Wow, amazing. I give her a dental stick every night. So yeah, so that's my Target haul, my necessities. You know, the only thing I realized that I forgot is SPF. I have plenty of SPF for my face, which I've been doing hardcore, especially being in the car for so many days. But obviously SPF is going to be very important here in the desert. So I need to get some for my whole body. So, and I just kind of grab like whatever I see for my body, as long as it's like SPF 30, 50 or higher. So I definitely need to grab some of that because I took Aries on a hike this morning. I was wearing this and wearing long sleeves and everything, but you know, as it gets warmer here, SPF is going to be key. So I'll be making a lot more trips, of course, to get everything furnished and to get everything settled in, but I just wanted to make a quick run and grab some of the things that I really needed right now. So that's my first Target haul.